Hi, today you will learn how to use charcoal effect in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this one video added to our project. So now we need to drag and drop this video to the timeline. And then of course I will change position of the cursor to the start. Now if I want to add charcoal effect, I need to go to Effects tab. And here on the search field, I need to type charcoal. Then it should be successfully found in stylized settings. Of course, you can find this effect manually if you want. So now to add it, I need to drag and drop this effect to my video. How you see, we have here preview of this effect. So now if you will select your video and you will open the effect composition stack settings, you'll be able to modify this effect. For example, you can invert it if you want. Everything depends on the effect which you want to achieve, so I will uncheck this option. You can modify the horizontal scatter if you want. If you will increase this value, the edges will be better visible here. If you will decrease this value, it will not be so visible. Of course, we can modify the vertical scatter too if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. I will set it on the 2. I will increase the scale. Maybe I will set it to 2. And of course, you can try the mix effect. For example, I will set here 2, and now if I will play this video, you will be able to check the effect which I have already applied. So how you see, it looks really great in my opinion. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.